Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the bale fruit, right? So this is the another example under carbohydrate containing crude drugs, right? We are discussing the drug different from the different sources having the carbohydrate or different types of saccharides present among them, right? So till now we have discussed so many examples, right? Secretory products from the plant, some from the marine source, from the different fruit, from the animals also, right? Like honey. So today it is the fruit, right? So bale fruit, it is very popular Indian fruit, and even in it can grow in other country also, and having it is having the great medicinal and pharmaceutical importance. So when we talk about the bale fruit or Indian bale, this looks like this. You can see into the picture here, the it is the tree, like it's a big tree only it is going to be, and the fruit will be there like this only in summer season only. Generally it can bear the fruit, right? First in Jan Feb it will be like a green color, then when coming to the March April it become yellowish dark brown, right? So you can see the trifoliate leaves, so it will be there, which is very famous for the prayer of the Lord Shiva that we are going to discuss. If you cut the fruit from the here, it will be like that. The seeds you can get into the small rings and holes, right? You can see the picture here in the tree how it looks like, right? The different prickle will be there into the branches that may hurt you, right? So let us discuss what is the pharmacognostic details it is going to be, what are the synonyms or different names, and what are the name it is known as. It is known as a bale fruits and bale. Here in spelling a it is missing here, right? Bael bale and bel bale, right? Indian bale, since it is obtained from India, it is also known as Indian bale. Then Bengal queens, it is also known as, and Bilen, right? Like Bilen, like that you can say. So there are five different types of synonyms where we can call this fruit in a different names. Coming to the biological source, what is the name of the plant, which part we are using biologically? Bale consists of the unripe or half ripe, both unripe, right? The green color one, and half ripe, little bit yellowish brown fruits, or their slices, like slices we have seen in the image, right? Or irregular pieces of algal marmolus, right? Core belonging to the family Rutaceae, right? So Aegle marmolus, this is the botanical name of the plant which belongs to the Rutaceae family. In that we are using half ripe or unripe fruits as a drug or as a source of carbohydrates. Coming to the geographical source where this plant can grow or can cultivate it, the sub Himalayan tract and throughout India, right? You can see even in the Telangana, it is very famous. This plant can grow. You can see in our college campus also this plant it is there, right? So throughout India it can, right? Especially central and southern India. See, South India came here, right? Especially central and southern India, and apart from India, Burma occurring as wild and also cultivated. So in Burma, it is having its own forester, it seems, right, where the it can grow, and also it is being cultivated in that particular country. So India and Burma, these two countries where this plant can grow easily and it is going to give the fruits. How to collect, since it is most of the wild grown only, or their own grown plant only, it is sufficient for the medicinal use. And even though if it's cultivated, how to collect, we the tree is the deciduous about 12-meter in height, right? Approximately 12 meter it is going to be the height, and more than that it is the sacred tree, and the leaves known as belpatra. Belpatra are used for worshipping Lord Shiva. That's what you might be seeing, or you are also collecting these leaves, purchasing from the market, because trifoliate, it is considered as the Om Namah Shivaya, right? That's what these three leaves say. It is believed that it will be suitable for Lord Shiva, and there is so many other reasons also, though, which you might be knowing. Belpatra, why it is important for Lord Shiva. The tree has strong, straight spines and compound trifoliate leaves. That's what compound trifoliate leaf. Three leaves will be there together in each group. And berry fruit. The fruits are collected among or during the April and May, because in that April and May, this the fruits color will become like this, right? Orange or brown color, right? So that is the indication that is half ripe. And the things, the juice is very famous. Bale juice in I think in South they are not using, but in Central India, the bale juice is very famous in summer season, and it is reflecting, is protecting from the sun strokes and all other, right? After collection, epicarp removed and usually cut into the transverse slices or irregular pieces, right? Then it will be processed further for the carbohydrate isolation. Description of the fruit. If you see the order, it is aromatic order. It is having aroma, right? You can get aromatic taste, mucilaginous, since all the carbohydrate containing, we are seeing that mucilaginous taste, since present is saccharides. Shape and size, sub-spherical berry, and 5 to 10 centimeter in diameter, approximately, that we could see into the image, like how this much diameter, you can see this much size of the fruit. It is going to be epicarp, hard, woody, externally reddish brown, and smooth and granular. Okay. The mesocarp and endocarp, it consists of pulp. That's what pulpy juice it can be obtained. It consists of pulp, which is reddish brown and made up of 10 to 12 carpels. Right here you can see these are the pulps, right? 12 to in TS. If you go for TS of bell fruit or transverse section of bell fruit, it will look like this. Okay, each carpels contains several seeds with the oblong, flat, and multicellular woolly white hairs, right? Onto the mesocarp, you can see like that. You can see this is the diagrammatic or schematic presentation of the bale plant leaf. Here the trifoliate leaves. This is the fruit is going to be like this. And if you cut the TS, you can see that these are the seeds present into the this thing, and these are the pulpy things. Okay, so coming to the what are the chemicals or constituents it is there in that particular fruit, that it is used for the what you call medicinal and pharmaceutical. The chief constituents of the drug is marmelosin. Remember, marmelosin A, B, and C. That also 0.5%, which is a furocoumarine. That is one of the glycosides, right? Furocoumarine, coumarine and furocoumarine, right? So marmelosin A, B, and C. This is the main or chief or the constituents which is recognized for medicinal use. Other coumarines are marmecin, soraline, and umbelliferone, right? So marmelosin A, B, and C, it is furocoumarine, whereas other coumarines are marmecin, soraline, and umbelliferone. The drug also contains carbohydrates. So that's what we are studying here, right? So these carbohydrate 11 to 17% it is there of the total. Proteins, volatile L and tannins also be present in this fruit, but carbohydrate will be there in 11 to 17%. The pulp also contains good amount of vitamins C and A. Two alkaloids, O-methyl halforidione, O-methyl halforidione, foridinol, and isopentyl halfordinol have been isolated from these particular fruit. So these two alkaloids, right? O-methyl halophordinol and isopentyl halophordinol. Other alkaloids reported in the drug are algelinine, marmeline, and dactamine. You can see into the structure here the marmelosin A, marmelosin B, and marmelosin C. Here R1 and R2 has been given with this the 5 member and 2 6 member ring along attached with the hydroxyl groups. So if you will attach with R1 H and R2 also H, what will happen? Just a minute. Hmm. Here it is marmelosin A. If R2 will be replaced with methyl group CH3, it will be marmelosin B here. And in R1 methyl group and R2 will be H marmelosin 3. Here two alkaloids that what we have discussed here, two alkaloids like O-methyl halfordinol and isopentyl herfordinol. So O-methyl herfordinol R is equal to CH3 here, right? OR is there, no? In this R, if you will attach with CH2, CH, CH2, CH3, CH3, this one, so it will become isopentyl halophordinol. These two are alkaloids, and in structure you are going to be 6 member ring, 5 member ring, again 6 member ring in this position. Okay, so like that you can practice this structure, which is very important when you are writing the bell fruit. Uses: drug is very popular in Ayurveda and is used in diarrhea and dysentery. That's what in summer season generally dehydration takes place, diarrhea it is very common. So that's what bale juice is very important to drink. If you are not drinking till now, you should start drinking that one. Action is attributed to mucilage. Leaf contain alkaloids, that's what, and are considered useful in diabetes. You might be seeing that those who are in pre-diabetic condition, or they are feeling their sugar level, blood sugar level and urine sugar level, it is increasing in initial stage, you can consume the bale leaves, because since they are having alkaloids, two alkaloids which we have seen that is there in the fruit and in the leaf also will be there in some quantity, that is very useful in diabetes to decrease the sugar level. The oil obtained from seeds possesses antibacterial, antiprotozoal, and antifungal properties. So, from the bale seeds, oil can be obtained. That bale seed oil that will be having antimicrobial activity. The root of bale is one of the constituents of well-known Ayurvedic preparation Dashmula, right? So the bale root also used into the Dashmula. In large dose, it may be lead to abortion. Therefore, it can be used as abortifacient agent, and hence it should not be used in pregnant women. Remember, right? That's what this juice we should not give in that condition. So, what are the advantage and disadvantage we could see here? So, bale is the one of the great importance it is having, and it is the Indian fruit. Since we have seen Burma and India only the country where it can grow, and India it is throughout India it is growing, and the bale, the pulps, it is having so much importance since it is used in the dysentery and diarrhea in the summer season. That's what this bale juice should is, it should be very very important, and everybody should have it. So this is one of the good example where 11 to 17% of carbohydrate it is present. It is a good example of carbohydrate containing crude drugs.